Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make this beautiful crochet motif. For this project I am using 8-ply crochet acrylic yarn, 3.5mm crochet hook, scissor and tapestry needle. So let's get started. For the first round we make a slip knot and make chain 4. Now slip stitch into the first stitch and now we make chain 3. Chain 3 count as a double crochet. Now in magic circle we make 11 double crochet. Now I completed my 11 double crochet and including chain 3 you got total 12 double crochet. Now insert the hook into the first chain of chain 3. Make a slip knot and make chain 3. Chain 3 count as a double crochet. Now for the second round we make 2 double crochet into every stitch. So we make 1 double crochet into the same stitch, 2 double crochet into the next one, two double crochet into the next one, and we repeat this pattern all around. So I reached to the end of this round. This is my last double crochet, and after finishing this round you got total 24 double crochet. So insert the hook into the first chain of chain 3, make a slip knot, chain 1 and fasten off. So I change the color. If you don't want to change the color you can continue with the same color. For the next round we make a slip knot and insert the hook in any of the stitch. And now make chain 3. Chain 3 count as a double crochet. Now we make 1 double crochet into the next 3 stitches. Now we make chain 7. And again we make 1 double crochet into the next 4 stitches. Again make chain 7 and 1 double crochet into the next 4 stitches. Chain 7 and 1 double crochet into the next 4 stitch. So we repeat this pattern all around. So I reached to the end of this round. This is my last chain 7. And now insert the hook into the first chain of chain 3. Make a slip knot. Chain 1 and fasten off. So here is our third round is also completed. Okay, for the next round, first we make a slip knot. And in our previous round, we got total 6 chain space, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we insert our hook into any of the chain space. And in this chain space, we make 4 double crochet, chain 3, 4 double crochet, total 3 times. So first we make chain 3 count as a double crochet. Now we make 3 double crochet into the same chain space. So here is our 4 double crochet. Now we make chain 3. Again we make 4 double crochet into the same same chain space. Chain 3 and again we make 4 double crochet into the same chain space. Okay, now we move to the next chain space and we repeat this pattern. Make 4 double crochet, chain 3 4 double crochet into the same chain space, chain 3 and 4 double crochet into the same chain space. Now we repeat this pattern all around. So I will show you one more time. We move to the next chain space. We make 4 double crochet, chain 3, 4 double crochet, chain 3 and again 4 double crochet into the same chain space. So we repeat this pattern all around. I reach to the end of this round. This is my last double crochet, and now I am finishing this coaster using invisible join. So first we cut the yarn, pull the yarn from the hook, insert the thread into the needle, and now we insert the needle into the second double crochet, not in chain 3, the second double crochet, and now we insert the hook into the last double crochet back loop. So here is the front loop and here is the back loop. So we insert the hook into the back loop, and now we hide the yarn. So here is our coaster is completed. This is the final result. Thanks for watching.